Mastering politeness in English. Speak when spoken to. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make learning English easy and fun. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that often pops up in conversations about manners and respect. Speak when spoken to. It's a phrase with deep roots in social etiquette, and understanding it can really help you navigate various English-speaking environments. So, let's get started. Speak when spoken to is an expression that advises individuals to only speak in a conversation if someone else has directly addressed them first. This phrase emphasizes listening over speaking and suggests that one should not join a conversation uninvited or interrupt others. It's often used in contexts where respect, hierarchy, and politeness are highly valued, such as in the military, within traditional families, or in formal educational settings. Historically, this phrase reflects the social norms and hierarchies of past times when strict respect for authority and elders was the norm. It was particularly emphasized to children, students, and subordinates to teach them about respect and the importance of listening before speaking. Understanding this context helps explain why the phrase might feel outdated or too strict in today's more egalitarian and open dialogue society. In modern times, the use of speak when spoken to can vary greatly. It's important to gauge the situation. In formal settings or when interacting with someone of higher rank or age, this practice might still be appreciated as a sign of respect. In casual, friendly, or creative environments, communication is often more open, and this rule may not apply. Using this phrase directly can come across as condescending or authoritarian. It's usually better to model the behavior of listening carefully and speaking at appropriate times, rather than instructing others to do so. Instead of saying, speak when spoken to, consider encouraging respectful listening and communication in more positive ways. Phrases like, let's all take turns speaking. I'd love to hear everyone's thoughts, one at a time, or please feel free to contribute when you have something to add, can promote a healthy, respectful dialogue without implying a strict hierarchy. We hope this exploration of the phrase, speak when spoken to, has been enlightening. Remember, effective communication is all about balance. Respecting when it's someone else's turn to speak and knowing when it's yours. As always, we encourage you to practice listening and speaking in equal measure, and to adapt your approach to fit the social context. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.